How to switch the integrated terminal shell in Codex. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll guide you how you can change the integrated terminal shell in your Codex desktop. So first, simply launch your Codex desktop application, and once the application launches, click onto the settings button at the bottom left corner. Then from here again click onto the settings option, and within the settings go to the general settings. Within the general settings, simply scroll down and you will see this setting which says integrated terminal shell. So from here you can choose which shell opens in the integrated terminal. So from here, using this drop down, you can choose out of these four shells which are currently available. The first one is the Windows PowerShell, the second one is the CMD or the command prompt, then we have Git Bash and the WSL as well. So from here you can choose the particular terminal that you wish to use in the integrated terminal. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.